On the fourth Thursday of every year, friends and families gather around the dinner table to help gobble up as much food as humanly possible. I'm sure most of you are familiar with the original 1621 feast between the Plymouth colonists and the Wampanoag Native Americans. So today, we'll talk about some of the other interesting facts surrounding this very special day. So fill up your plate and grab a seat because it's time to talk turkeys! Hello and welcome back to another episode of 5-Minute Flashback. My name is Elek, and on today's episode, we'll touch on some of the famous traditions of Thanksgiving, as well as some of the lesser-known facts about the holiday. Thanksgiving is that underappreciated middle child between Halloween and Christmas. I mean, stores go right from Halloween candy and costumes right to Christmas stockings and tree decorations. Kind of inconvenient. Did you know that every year the President of the United States pardons one or sometimes even two turkeys? It's debated which president started this tradition, but this likely sprung from Harry S. Truman's joke of sparing a turkey during his presidency. The first to officially pardon a turkey was President John F. Kennedy, who was gifted a turkey and named it Tom. This tradition became especially popular in the 80s and 90s and has carried into the modern day. Every turkey gets a name ranging from Freedom to Drumstick to Charlie. In 2022, there were two turkeys pardoned named Chocolate and Chip after the president's favorite ice cream. Some of our founding fathers were really into turkey, so much that Benjamin Franklin wanted the national bird to be a turkey instead of a bald eagle. He even wrote that he believed the turkey was the more respectable bird. About 88% of Americans eat turkey to celebrate the holiday, which the Department of Agriculture estimates is more than 46 million turkeys consumed on Thanksgiving. Wow, that's a lot of turkeys. Did you know that the most popular turkey producer, Butterball, actually has a hotline where people can call in and ask for their most important turkey cooking questions? In years past, Butterball has estimated that there were up to 100,000 calls. Now that we have our turkey, stuffing, mashed potatoes, and green beans, what are we going to put on the TV? Well, there's no shortage of options. Some of the most popular choices are the Thanksgiving football games, the Macy's Day Parade, or the TV specials like For Charlie Brown. The football tradition started all the way back in 1876 with the game between Yale and Princeton, but the NFL Thanksgiving games didn't start until 1934. Since then, the NFL had become one of the staples of the holiday. In 2006, there was one more game added to the day, making Thanksgiving a game day for 6 teams. 2 teams that have played on Thanksgiving for a very long time are the Detroit Lions and the Dallas Cowboys. When it comes to the Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade, around 3.5 million people turn up to see the floats in person, and an additional 38.8 million people watch from their homes. The parade lasts around 3 hours to go for the whole 2.5 miles. The floats of the parade are characters such as Spider-Man, Superman, Snoopy, or even Pikachu. You might be surprised to find out that the US is not the only country that celebrates Thanksgiving. Although we do not celebrate the same Thanksgiving, other countries have their own celebrations of thanks, such as Germany, Austria, and Switzerland. Who do you celebrate Thanksgiving with? The trend of Friendsgiving has become popular in recent years. Friendsgiving is most popular among students or young adults who are away from home during Thanksgiving. However, there is no limit to Friendsgiving, and this can be done at any age with any group of friends. Sometimes universities or businesses will host a Thanksgiving for their students or employees as a sign of appreciation for them. It's important to remember that while the stuffing, mac and cheese, and other delicious foods are great, Thanksgiving is for giving thanks. This year, take the time to recognize someone important in your life and let them know how much you appreciate them. That'll wrap up things for today's episode. We hope you enjoyed this episode and that you found it to be very informative. How do you celebrate Thanksgiving, and what is your favorite thing to eat for the holiday feast? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and follow us on our social media pages at ZTV 5-Minute Flashback. As always, go out, enjoy life, and stay curious.
This program was produced by ZTV at the University of Akron. Do you want to gain experience in video production, professional social media, or working with real clients? Visit the UA School of Communications online or follow us on social media to learn more. ZTV, make media, make a difference.